guys, my name is Vinay Balaji and welcome to another professional prep video. In today's professional prep video, we will be working on recursion, which is basically a simpler way to write more complex programs. Basically, recursion is a way of writing Java where you use less lines to create complex programs. Therefore, each line is super powerful. I'm going to be going over a program I just quickly created right now, and telling you really what makes this program a recursive program. So what this program does, it counts from 1 to 12 and then 12 to 1, and we have a parameter of 1 and 12, and we represented it as k and n. So it doesn't just have to be 1 and 12, it can be several other numbers. So let's just run through this program. Basically, we have an if statement, and then we put a system.out to print out each of the numbers, and then we have the count up method, which is what makes it a recursive method. Basically, since you refer to count up, that's basically makes it recursion because you are recursively calling the method over here. Same thing with the countdown, we're referring to countdown, basically making it a recursive method. And obviously, after running it, it works perfectly fine. And that is pretty much what makes a function a recursive function. Typically, you'd have to use several if and else statements to do the count up, or sometimes you might even need like a while loop or for loop. However, you don't need that in this recursive style of writing code. So that's what makes a recursive function that important in Java, because you don't need that many lines or that many complex traits to make a recursive function recursive. Also, it's very efficient, and sometimes with long pieces of code, you want to be as efficient as possible, because if you get an error with more lines of code, it'll just be harder and harder to debug. So using recursion in longer pieces of code is certainly useful. I hope I helped your understanding of recursion and that you understood something from this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll be willing to answer any questions that you have. Other than that, thank you and have a good day.